This is a how to diffuse style curly hair texture masterclass. I start with freshly washed hair. I assess the texture and determine if the curl needs hydration or needs activation or both. This will determine the products I choose. I have chosen a hydration spray and cream, combing the products thoroughly through the hair. I direct my client to slide down the chair, resting her nape on top of the chair facing towards the ceiling. With high heat and high speed, I direct the airflow down the hair follicle. This will allow me to dry much faster while avoiding frizz. You will notice how I cradle the hair up. This will encourage maximum curl activation. Directing the hair back will create maximum volume. Body and cradling the hair up will create maximum curl. This will create very big hair with active curl textures. I love to diffuse dry all new clients using this method to truly see how reactive their curls are. This will help me when choosing haircut shapes that would work perfectly for their texture. You will notice how I use the back of the chair to trap the heat and air from the blow dryer. This is a massive time saver with long and thick curly hair. I can diffuse dry most lengths in less than 20 minutes using this method. I now direct the client to sit up and I flip her hair over, and I proceed to diffuse dry the underneath zone. Once I think the hair is completely dry, I use the cool method to set her curls. This will also increase volume and body into the haircut shape. I now complete the style with a shakeout to dress the curls. I place my fingers on her scalp and gently massage. This will open up the curls without creating fluff or frizz. Use a little serum on your hands if you have super frizzy hair. This is my go-to curly girl diffuse style. Perfect for all hair textures including wavy and coily. If you like this tutorial, you should watch this one next.